Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So, had a fairly good week this week as far as noodling goes. So, this is what I've pulled out of circulation this week. Some of these coins you would have seen on some of the noodling videos, the coin roll hunts that I've done in the past week. So I thought I'd just quickly go through them and show you what I am keeping. Here we got a heap of 2018 5-cent coins. Keeping these at the moment purely because, well, we don't know what the mintage is going to be. I think based on what we know so far, it's around 3.3 million of these were made. Potentially there's going to be a lot more, but if it happens to stay at 3.3, that'll make it the lowest. So they're still worth keeping. So I'll be keeping each and every one of those, I find, until the mintage gets released, possibly November this year. So we'll know more then. So keep each and every one of those that you find for now. I'm only just starting to find them, so they're just coming through my area now. 1993 50-cent coin. Another low mintage coin, mintage of $1 million on that one. Started finding a few of these Marbos now. I think I've found 6 all up. So happy with that. Keep each and every one of those. I got fairly lucky on the Federation, the state coins. So I don't even think I doubled up this week, which was good. So I got a Northern Territory one there. We got a Norfolk Island one. We've got a Tassie. Western Australia, and the last one is a Queenslander. So 5 of them there. So I was quite happy with that haul, and also got a couple of the Canberra, the ACT 20-cent Federations from 2001. So that one's in nicer nick than the other one. Kept a few of the 10-cent changeovers, which was quite nice. Also found 172, 1972 5-cent. So there's a few dollars worth there. Really tough to come by. I did find 2 2011 10-cent coins. This one and this one, and I chucked this one straight into a 2x2 because it was just in beautiful condition. So you can see there's no dings, no scratches. Absolutely beautiful coin. So if you can see the comparison there, this one's not a bad one, but that one there, just absolutely beautiful coin. So keep each and every one of those. Check out my video if you haven't seen that on the 2011. One of the changeovers, only found one of them this week. So the 2016 changeover. We all know to keep those ones. This is a 2015 100-year Vans Act. Another one I'll keep. I did start finding a few more of the 2018 $1 coins. Currently, according to the RAM website, I think there's around 200,000 of these have been reported. So we'll keep each and every one of these until we know more. So that's another one to look out for. We got the 2019 with the A, U and S on it. This one's a U, and I also found 2 2019s with A's on it. So I still need to find an S. That's the one there with the A. So keep each and every one of those. The mint says 1 million of each of these, A, U and S, a million of each. So they'll always be worthwhile keeping. A couple of rabbit ears. You can just see that there, and a fairly decent size one there. This is the 2010, and I think that's 2016. So just 2 rabbit ears, which I do find tough to find these days. So if you're not familiar with rabbit ears, you can see that just up behind the top kangaroo's ear, there's an extra cud there. So those things are always very collectible as well. What else we got? Oh, I found a couple of coloured $2 coins. Didn't go through too many, to be honest, but there's a couple there. I found a coin that is not meant for circulation. You can see it's got a C for Canberra, so that's the Gallipoli Lest We Forget $1 coin from 2005. Not meant for circulation, but still worth taking out if you find anything that shouldn't be there. So that's C mint mark for Canberra, that one. And a couple of error coins to finish off with. So this is a International Year of Volunteers 2001, and if you look closely around the rim, we've got 2 rim cuds. If I can try and rotate there, just you can see them quite easily. We've got double rim cuds. So yeah, that's a collectible coin as well. That's the 2001. And the final error coin, and the final coin that I've kept this week, is a 1968 10-cent coin. And you can see there we've got a lamination error going on there. It's got a couple of areas there that it's starting to delaminate. But you can see that quite obviously there. And these are very collectible as well. So that's a 68, sorry. Yeah, so that's the final coin we have to show you today. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing what I found this week and what I've been able to hold on to. Alright guys, enjoyed bringing this video to you and look forward to bringing another one to you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.